Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and enjoying your life. So today's episode is on stock study. Yesterday I gone through one stock and I found the technical structure is good. So I just want to share with you all, and this is my technical study. So before going further, read about this disclaimer. I hope you all are gone through this disclaimer. So we will go further. So today's stock study is AII Engineering Limited. And why I selected this stock for the study? The reasons are given here. Stock has given a breakout. Technically, stock is in long-term uptrend, and fundamentally, stock parameters are good. So let us go to the stock technicals first. So already I taken the trend on investing.com. If you see this blue line, stock is in uptrend, and recently this stock has given a breakout here, and stock is trading at all-time high. And stock is making always higher lows and higher high. That means stock is in uptrend. Also during this corona crisis when the market crashed, the stock has also corrected, but it has given a bounce again with the index. So that means relative strength uh, with the index is good for the stock. When your index goes up, the stock is also goes up. And if you see here in this zone, stock has given a breakout and after that it has given a good rally from 500 rupees to 1300 rupees. So it has almost double. So in this zone also, stock has given a breakout from 1300 to 2000. So here also stock has given a good return after this breakout. And now again stock has given a breakout here. Okay. So that's why I selected this stock. Another thing what I observed is here in this RSI, if you see price is going up and RSI is going down. Okay. So that means I consider this as a hidden bullish divergence. Now you may also tell me or ask me a question. Here price is going up and RSI is going down. That means there is a RSI bearish divergence. But let me tell you, there is the RSI divergence, but now RSI has given a breakout here. Okay, that means this RSI bearish divergence is now no more valid. So as there is RSI breakout on long time frame, that is on monthly time frame, and there is a breakout here also. So that is why for me this is a buy candidate. Now before few days back, I shared one more chart on the Twitter which was forming the same structure like this, and that stock was this Tata Elxsi Limited. Okay, so this stock was also just given RSI breakout and here breakout. Okay, and it was trading around 1600 rupees. And now if you see the stock, it is trading around 2371. It is around 50% up from the buying level which I suggested. So this stock is also forming the same structure technically. So that is why it is a buy for. And if you want to take at the risk, uh, if we are buying here, then our stop loss should be somewhere around 1850 levels. Okay, so that means if we went wrong, our loss will be very limited, and if we went right, then it will be good gain for us. So these are about the technicals. Now something about the fundamentals. So these are the fundamentals. I always look at the screener.in when I went about the fundamentals. Uh, Company market cap is 19,800. Stock P is 34.5. And stock companies always companies giving good return around 18% average. And company most is almost debt free company. So it is good. EPS is also 60. It is also good. And intrinsic value 5,680 rupees. So this is also good. Stock is trading at 2100. but intrinsic value is 5860. That means it is also a good parameter. And if you look at the company competitors, these are the company competitors, and if we look at their P's, that is higher than this company P's. So that it means this is available at cheaper valuation compared to the peers. And if we look at the profit and loss, company's operating profit is always increasing yearly. Net profit after the taxes is also always increasing. And if we look at the EPS is yearly, it is in increasing trend. So fundamentally also this stock is very good. And if you look at the valuations, uh, then as per fundamental models, this stock should trade after 5 years. Value should be around 4,800, which is around the 2x, around double from the current level. So this is about the AI engineering. I hope you all like this video. If you like it, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for lots of learning and the stock ideas. I will try to give weekly 1 or 2 ideas per week. So, and also there will be a lot of learning. So please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.